Guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can close all apps on your iPhone which are active on the background. On your home screen at the very lower left corner you put your finger so you can swipe it up just like what I'm doing now, and it shows a view of all the apps currently open. As you can see, I actually have a bunch of apps open, so I will close them. What you can do is simply touch each one of them and drag up to close many. If you have a lot of apps already, you can also use many fingers and swipe each of them or all of them at once, just like what I'm doing now, and that will close all the apps. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye.